Good afternoon, explorers.
Good afternoon.
We're at the Georgia Mountain Coaster today.
Michael and Gage will be riding. I think me and Nikolai are going to sit this one out.
Yeah.
So this coaster, it actually has a handbrake, I think, for you to stop yourself.
It's all manual. You just go down a set of rails and hope for the best.
I would think it would be safe.
Yeah.
You know, people going on it all the time, it would be safe, right?
Yeah. So the weight requirements are 375 in dry conditions.
Yep. And then I think it says 330
in wet conditions.
Yeah. You have to be 54 inches tall. Mm-hmm. And you can have a rider with you. They have to be 38 inches tall or higher. 3 and up. And from what I'm seeing here, the prices are $16 per adult, $13 for children 7 to 12, and $6 for 3 to 6.
I'm going to try to wear my helmet cam. If not, then I might have to do the body harness, but either way, we'll get something.
According to the lady up front, it's going to be a 25-minute wait, so we're going to be sitting here a while waiting for them to hop on this thing. Yep, they got a little gift shop here, it looks like. You can get hats, t-shirts, little cups. These are nice. Oh, that is nice. They do pictures here too, so you can see yourself on the ride if you want. And this is where people exit. So this is probably where we're gonna wait.
See your ticket, please.
Alright, so how was it?
It was exciting.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
The person in front of us was braking quite a bit more than they should have been, but
Yeah, you can't help that.
You can't help that, so.
Unfortunately.
yeah.
But at the beginning, we went really fast. It was pretty good.
Is it really high?
Not as high as I was expecting.
No. I mean, you feel like a couple times like you could really go really fast if you wanted to. But I also don't know if there's a magnet system that's preventing us from getting too close at certain parts. Because times I wasn't even braking and it would break.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Cool.
it was fun. I definitely recommend it.
Definitely.
Okay, explorers. I think this is where we're going to leave you. This was just a small little look at the Georgia Mountain Coaster. It was really fun. I mean, you got to take the risk that you're going to have a slow person in front of you.
Yep.
So it is what it is. Take what you want. Maybe plan who's in front of you or look at who it is before you get in line.
Yeah.
That was my mistake. But anyway, no, it was a really great time. I definitely recommend it.
Thanks for coming along with us.
Keep exploring.
See you on the next one.